Hello everyone. In the last video we saw how we could make the edits to the already created geometry. So now let's see that how we can annotate the alignment over here. So in MX Roads we have the under the drawing tools we have the annotate drawing and pages over here. Where we can annotate the plan separate, profile separate, cross section separate over here. Since I'm showing you the annotation of the plan element over here, we have something called as MX tip file, the tip files which are already been predefined in the MX root libraries. We can make use of that. Also we could make edits to the tip file and save as that so that you can use it to the next project. So over here I'm just you can just go to the library over here. So under the public you already have the for the plan there are a lot of tip files over here. You could make the necessary tip files that you want to choose. So let us consider that as a plan all annotation tip file. So under which in that tip files you can make necessary edits over here. So what are the data that you want to include in the annotation part which should be displayed. So you can further expand each of the groups subgroups over here and define each things over here. So once you're done with this, just pick the element that you want to show the annotation, and it will process and provide you the necessary annotation details over here. So based on the whatever the MX file that you have chosen, which are already predefined, so you'll get all the details over here. So this shows the how the annotations can be assigned to the alignment. So now coming to the open roads. So like we have a tip file for MX roads, here we have the predefined XML files in the open roads libraries which we can edit, create the new annotation details that how we want to assign to the alignments. So I could simply come to the drawing action tab and I have this element annotation where I annotate the element and just pick the alignment and just reset to complete it. So and there you go. So based on the how the annotation groups are being created in the libraries, so you'll get those details where you'll get the IP details, the radius curve, the point of curve and the point of tangent, chain edge details. So this all depends on how the annotations groups are being created or predefined in the libraries. Can also remove the annotations applied over here by going to the same element animation and just hit on remove annotations, and that will remove the annotation details of an element. Similarly you could do the same thing in MX roads. Just select the alignment and just hit remove the annotations, and that will display off you the annotations. And yes, this completes the annotation element annotation in MX roads and open roads designer. Thanks for watching.